Hi, second graders. I'm going to go over your application problem for day 11, which is March 31st. You should be on page 33 in your math workbook. We're on our lesson 6 application problem in the workbook. So remember, our steps for solving our application problem are read it, draw it, write it. So I'm going to read my problem first, and then we're going to go over how we can solve this together. So the problem for today says, Sam's organizing her greeting cards. She has 8 red cards and 8 blue cards. She puts the red cards in 2 columns and the blue ones in 2 columns to make an array. Draw a picture of Sam's greeting cards in the array. Okay, so I circled the important information in this problem, so now I know that I can use that information to help me today. So I know that Sam has 8 red cards and 8 blue cards. And I also know that she wants to put both the cards into 2 columns. So she wants to put her red ones in 2 columns and her blue ones into 2 columns. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show Sam's red cards first. So I'm going to make them into 2 columns, and I'm going to make sure that I show enough until I get to 8. So 1, 2. So I made 1 in this column and 1 in this column. I'm going to keep going until I get to 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have Sam's 8 red cards in 2 columns. I'm going to double check to make sure I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the blue cards because I know she has 8 blue cards too, and she also wants them to be in 2 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I drew my picture, right? I did a picture of the greeting cards in an array. I did 2 columns for each. And now I need to write a statement about her array. So when I'm writing my statement, I'm going to write exactly what I showed. So I know that Sam can have how many columns? 1 column, 2 columns, 2 columns with how many cards in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 cards for her red and blue cards. Okay, so I read my problem, I drew my picture, and then I wrote my statement. So I'm going to leave this here so that you can make sure that yours matches mine. See if I can zoom out a little bit for you. Okay, so make sure that you have your picture. Make sure you have your statement. Your statement is on the back on page 34. So make sure that you write your sentence. If you want to pause this video so that you can copy my sentence, make sure that yours matches mine. Great job.